Let's see how you can use Akriel as a teacher. First, watch the student tutorial video, then try Akriel. We recommend that you click on various demo examples below Find Topic, where you will find a special selection of algebra questions separately for both primary and also for secondary school students. These type of questions are an excellent representation of Akriel's mathematical engine. Review the solution of one or two examples of each topic and click on some steps to see further details of various depths. You will familiarize yourself with Akriel's problem-solving algorithm, the possibilities of its multi-level interactive explanation site, and also the illustration method based on colored symbols. With the assorted problems from primary school, it is possible to practice entering the solution very well. Choose one or two exercises and solve them. Then go back to the curriculum site and review some lessons you are interested in. Review the solution of some questions and solve some exercises. Make sure you also start a test on a particular lesson, solve at least one exercise, and hand it in. It is important to try these so that you'll be able to help your students should the need arise. Then, create an Akriel study group for your students by clicking on the study group icon and the purple button here. First things first, fill in the data, the name of your group, town, city, and the name of the school. Choose the first lesson from the menu you would like to practice with your students. You may want to decide in advance which one to choose. Then, click on the green button to see your study group. The group code that will allow your students to join the study group is on the left in capital letters. Tell your students to register for Akriel at home, watch the student info video, and try Akriel to get some experience. Project the group code at the beginning of the lesson. In case of online teaching, email it to them. In the student info video, students will see where to enter the code. As your students join the group, their names will show on the screen. The counter on the left will show the number of students present. When a student joins the group, they will immediately get to the required first lesson and can start solving problems of increasing order of difficulty. As students earn stars, the green bar next to their names grows progressively. The number next to the bar is the number of stars earned. The group display arranges students based on their achievements, and you may review the students' progress at a glance. If you can, project the group display when you're in the classroom. It is motivating for students to see the current state of each other's progress. Some may even start competing with one another. Motivate some of the best workers with a grade for classroom participation. You'll see fierce competition may arise. Let's see how you can provide remote help to students who indicate they need it. You can also help those who, according to the group display, are falling behind. Just click on the name of the specific student and you can have a look at their digital exercise book. If you scroll down, you will see which exercises the student could or could not solve. If you click on the green button below any exercise, you can see your student's calculations step by step. Below the solution, you may find the information of how much time was spent on the exercise. If the student attached a whiteboard, you can see that as well. On the top of the page, you will see the exercise the student is working on right now. You can see the student's previous steps below one another. On the bottom, you can see in real time what the student is writing momentarily. You can help the student by asking questions or giving hints. If this wouldn't prove enough, click on the green Live View button. The program will open a new browser tab, and here you can see the Akriel screen of the student with the mouse movement in real time. If the student had a problem with entering data, you can help by giving detailed instructions such as where to click and in what order. It is possible that a student needs help in understanding the steps of the solution. Now you can review the solution together and you can instruct the student what steps to click on and how detailed. If necessary, you can add to Akriel's explanations verbally. If the student needs further direct contact with you, then Akriel will help you to manage to work together. click on the green Request Access button top right, and if it is accepted, then you can also control the student's mouse and click on his screen. You can show him how to enter a more complex formula. A minor difficulty is that when working together, you may only use the akriel keyboard. In this mode, you can neither click nor highlight in the input field. You can move within the input expression only by clicking on the arrows, or if you want to highlight anything, you have to ask the student to do so. Once the student highlighted what you wanted, you can continue the input by clicking on the student's akriel keyboard. It is going to be real teamwork. It is also possible to click on the interactive multi-level explanatory screen. If students get lost on the curriculum screen, you can help them find the required lesson and the selected exercise. After you help the student, close the browser tab. Also, close the student's digital exercise book with the blue button in the study group. This will take you back to the group display. If another student asks for your help, or you would like to check another student, then click on the name of that student, and so on. It's almost as if you were walking around the classroom, watching students' exercise books and providing help if necessary. All this while sitting at your computer. Overall, with akriel, you can control and coordinate the progress of the whole group by motivating the good and helping the weak students. Moreover, all these are possible to be done remotely. Therefore, akriel is very effective in remote teaching. In such instances, though, you will need another application where you can hear each other. For example, Microsoft Teams, Google Meets, Zoom, and so on.